Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone dev error 6068 and DirectX crashes on your PC. First, force the game to use DirectX 11. Don't open the game launcher, Battle.net or Steam. Select Call of Duty, click the gear icon next to Play, then choose Game Settings or go to the Properties in Steam. Enable additional command line arguments and type D3D11. Save the changes and launch the game. If the error continues, repair your game files. On Battle.net, click the gear icon next to the Play button and choose Scan and Repair. On Steam, in Properties, open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until the verification process finishes before launching the game again. Finally, update your graphics driver. Download the latest driver for your graphics card using official NVIDIA website or the AMD website if you have an AMD GPU. If you already have the latest driver, but the problem started after an update, perform a clean driver installation to remove any corrupted driver files before installing the newest version. Thanks for watching.